Hi Ceramics One! Whether you're a hybrid student or completely online, you want to start every week by watching my introductory video. So here it is for week 2, beginning on August 31st. A few things I'd like to go over here. As far as that who is in the art room survey you did, there were some pretty interesting answers here. Let's look at these. Do you consider yourself to be an artist? Not less than half of you did, it's pretty sad because I think you are all artists who work with clay. Are you excited to be in this class? Lots of people are. I love that. Okay, it's a very good indication. The more excited you are, the better you're going to do. No matter how hard I try, my projects don't come up looking the right way. Only a quarter of you, so that's good. I like coming up with new ideas. About 3/4 of you, and so on. Being an artist would be a cool job. Not too many of you want to go into the arts, and that's fine, because like we said in class, the skills you would learn in an art class, they translate to all different paths in life. Okay, the craftsmanship, the focus, the creativity, the problem solving. This is meant to serve you well. Okay, I follow artists on Instagram. Only about a third of you do. There are so many artists on Instagram with amazing artwork. And I should probably get those to you, some names for those if you like. I like to watch videos to learn art techniques. Okay, so about a quarter of you do that. So some pretty interesting answers. Thank you for completing that survey. It just helps me get a feel for who is in the art room. Okay, as you've probably figured out by now, the ceramic classes are not synchronous. I'm not going to be live streaming. It would just be a nightmare. It would be impossible to do. This week, I'm going to have you complete all work by the end of the day on Thursday so I can grade it on Friday. Okay, let's go to your Google Classroom. I'm going to switch over. As you can see, this is the stream. I'm going to switch over to the Classwork tab as usual. And as you go in to your Google Classroom, the Classwork, you see the header, online assignments, and then the dates this week, August 31st through September 4th, which is Friday, even though nobody has school on Friday. You're going to have 2 graded assignments this week. They're both very short quizzes. Okay, you're starting here. That's good. You'll have one video here with John the Potter, who is an amazing YouTube. He has an amazing YouTube channel. He's very entertaining. But we're going to talk about the stages of clay, the drying stages of clay, and we're going to use the same terms, the same language, so that we communicate without misunderstanding one another. We'll talk about the drying stages of clay. You have a study guide, and then you'll take a 4-point quiz, very quick quiz. Okay. What is ceramics? There are amazing opportunities in the field of materials sciences. Okay, so ceramics, it's an art as well as a science. And like I told you, you could spend your life studying this and just scratch the surface. This is part of that. Let's say you really like working with your hands, but you like experimentation and to make customers happy. Material sciences might be the job for you. So I have a presentation here about jobs and what exactly clay is. What's this material we're using? Finally, I made you a video that explains that emergency ceramics kit that you all took home. Okay, if you, let's see here, 2 grades due by the end of, let's just say midnight Thursday, and then I will grade everything Friday. If you're in class, you're going to be, you'll probably be given clay. I'll show you some material, some processes in storing that clay, things like that. If you're home, you've already gotten your clay, so that's good. We'll all be on the same page as we really put forth our first full week. Okay, thank you very, very much. Have a wonderful time. Have a great week, and let me know if there's anything that you need from me. Okay, thanks. Bye.